So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing the specifications, the launch date and the pricing of the Realme 5S. So guys, if you like to stay updated from smartphone world and Apple ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me tell you the launch date of this Realme 5S. Well guys, it is expected that Realme is going to be launching this product on 20 November. Yes guys, after 4 days, Realme is expected to launch this product. And now comes the pricing. What is going to be the pricing of the Realme 5S? Well guys, Realme 5 is a definitely hit, but guys, Redmi came with its Redmi Note 8 series and it is leading the Android market, because for 10,000 rupees, the Redmi Note 8 gives you the best of the best performance, and hence Realme wants to stack their game up, because the Realme 5's pricing is about 13,000 Indian rupees. So guys, it is expected that the Realme 5S pricing is going to be somewhere around 10,000 rupees or even less than 9,000 Indian rupees. But more highly, it is expected that the pricing should be 9,999 rupees. So guys, now let me come to the specifications of the Realme 5S. Well, let me start up from the processor. This Realme 5S is going to be having the Qualcomm Snapdragon 655 processor, which again might be little less. Your expectation might be like 800 series, but at this price range, Realme can offer the best of the best with the Snapdragon 665 processor. Well, now let me come to the front and the back camera, and here the game is pretty good. And let me tell you, the front camera is 13 megapixels. If you're following me, I have discussed that the Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be having a 32 megapixel selfie camera, but this this smartphone is providing you 13 megapixel. But again, for the price point of 10,000 Indian rupees, 13 megapixel camera is definitely appreciated. So guys, now let me come to the rear camera setup. You're going to be having a quad camera setup at the rear, and that includes the main camera is of 48 megapixels, and there is also 8 megapixel depth sensing camera and two 2 megapixel telephoto lens supposedly. So guys, let me tell you, this is the exact same setup found on the Redmi Note 8, and guys, let me just tell you, this is going to be the ultimate competitor to the Redmi Note 8 in terms of pricing, in terms of specifications, and overall it is going to be a great device. And now let me come to the storage options. Well, you're getting here a 4GB RAM as the base model and also 128 gigs of storage. Yes guys, 128 gigs of storage, and this looks pretty reasonable for the pricing even. And not just that, here things start to get little bit tricky, and guys, you're getting a battery life here of 5,000 milliamp hours. Yes guys, you're not getting 4,000 milliamp hours or 4,500. You're getting a straight away 5,000 milliamp hours battery with this smartphone, and this makes this even a better version than the Redmi Note 8. And now let me come to the OS. It is going to be shipping with the Android 9 Pie, and again the display is going to be of 6.5 inch. The pixel resolution is going to be 720 by 1600 pixels, and overall this all specifications are nearly identical to the Redmi Note 8. And guys, if you are just confused to buy the Redmi Note 8 or wait for this smartphone, well, my request would be like, wait for this Realme 5S, because it is going to be a ultimate competitor. So guys, this is everything which I wanted to discuss with you regarding this Realme 5S. And again, this is going to be definitely a great product and an ultimate competitor to the Redmi Note 8. So if you have liked today's video, if you want to stay updated from smartphone world and Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And if you have watched this video till the end, don't forget to give this video a like, and also guys, consider subscribing to my channel, because I bring continuously every day like this kind of beautiful videos. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.